Hello, Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love
the makeup. Oops, I missed my line. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline.
And today...
we're very excited. We have the new Nomad Cosmetics palette, which is the Ghost Town USA.
Yes. And speaking of like little Ghost Town girl, she went on a road trip, so we're kind of late with our delivery.
But
sorry.
Thank you, Nomad, for sending this over. I think it's still relevant because, of course, it's still relevant, but also it's very ready for fall.
Yes.
Check out this color story. We were kind of saying it's like a muted fall color story.
Yeah, it is. It's not as like, orange and yellow, but it's like greens and like
earthy,
coppers,
soft, muted. I'm excited because this is kind of my vibe these days. Pretty, kind of more neutral a little bit, leaning a lot.
Yes,
Sue me.
Yeah, we're all into neutrals.
Yeah. Can you see? I don't know if you can catch this, but when you move the palette, like it's like one of those holographic things, and one makes it look like a normal like Wild West town, and then you move it and it's all ghosty, which is such a cool detail.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's
another beautiful palette, and I think it retails for $49 US on their site, and they have a really good sale going on. Guys, do not sleep on this brand.
They have a sale, going on?
Yeah, not on this, but
no.
on others that we love. I love the Orient Express palette, and it's like, it's insane how I don't want to say the word cheap, but like what a great deal you can get on these.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Okay. We'll let you know what shades we're going into. You've used this palette a little bit in my absence, but this is my first time, so yay.
Yeah.
Yay. I'm going to start with, instead of my usual like transition shade, darken it. I'm going to start a little darker first. I'm going to map out with Bandit Queen, like this sort of neutral mid-tone brown, and then go in with the black Arrested Decay. Those two I'm going in with first to like start mapping out some deepness.
I'm going to go in this middle blue, Dead Man's Hand, like it's kind of a dark blue-ish, blue, gray. I'm going to go kind of mostly in the middle, blue, gray, cool tone.
Nice.
I'm going, yes.
Yeah.
Dead Man's Hand. I need a mirror.
I love that Nomad always has a theme that's going to be for us Halloween, fall peoples. They know their audience.
Yes. And they also inspire you to go on vacations, places. Because, like, if you lived in the U.S., like, if you went on a road trip, you can really do yourself justice just going to the ghost towns. Because, I mean, they're everywhere. Mm-hmm. But, like, Nevada, Montana, California.
Yes. I've seen a couple just being on a road trip through, like, Nevada. You just see them at the side of the road. But I really want to, like, delve into going to a bunch of them. I know some are said to be haunted. She doesn't believe in ghosts.
Why would I believe in ghosts?
Why wouldn't you believe in ghosts?
Because why are ghosts there?
Because when you walk into a room,
you feel spirit
or people, you feel the vibe. There's a vibe. There's an energy. And what is that vibe? It's literal energy. And then I think sometimes like some horrors and things that have happened in places are so strong they leave behind an energy. That's how I see a ghost. More of like a leftover echo. That's my opinion.
Okay. I'm going in with Skinner's Saloon. Skinner's Saloon, it's the lighter of the gray blue. Just to diffuse what I did here. I guess, but at the same time,
the ghosts?
Yeah, I always hear people thinking they see a ghost. Then that's not true ghost. Because ghosts should be, like, they should be vapor. You can't see a vapor. I'm sorry, but there are people who claim to see ghosts.
I believe them.
I don't.
There's so many people who've said like they've seen like people who've passed on and stuff like
They
that.
see them in their own frick doodle head.
What's the difference? If they saw it, they saw it. It's like that Dumbledore quote. Just because it's happening inside your head doesn't mean that it isn't real. I think the ghosts operate on this plane that we don't understand.
Well, I think there's something on a plane we don't understand. But I think it's more like the same way we don't see radio.
Yeah, but some people I think are tuned to ghosts more. My friend had a partner who was very tuned to the ghosts. Okay, I'm going to start darkening this even more with the black.
Yeah, I like the way mine's looking. I'm really pleased. Okay, so I'm going to do a shimmer, Quicksilver. That's what ghost towns are all about, going to find the gold and silver. Is that true?
Yes.
The hunt.
The Wild Wild West, like, I found out kind of recently, wasn't even that long ago. Like, I kind of think of it as, like, the 1700s. It was, like, into the 1900s.
Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. Like, this is a silver. This is a silver. Hello, Teresa's is dead. This is a silver. She loves her silvers.
But it's very blue silver.
Yeah, but it's very silver.
So I'm just kind of like making this outer shape. Like it's not a wing, but it's like inspired by what a wing does for your eye. If that makes any sense.
Yes. I'm going to go in with Calamity Jane on the bottom lid. Just a little. I'm not going to go crazy. I notice like in my aging, I'm just starting to get, floppy. Should I get like surgery?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's really easy to fuck it up. I'm not against anything like that.
No, mommy, don't get surgery.
No, if you want to make you happy.
No, I'm not going to get surgery.
If I had a lot of money, to be honest, I might consider some procedures.
Like what?
Well, okay, so I kind of obsess over celebrity plastic surgery, and sometimes I watch this channel. She's called like Lori something.
Yeah, we all watch that.
Dissects like what celebs have had done, and she's so kind about it too. Like she's so sweet, and she's like, whatever. I recommend her, but
Lori something. You know her. We all do.
It kind of lulls me to sleep.
Yeah.
Anyway, I find it interesting because sometimes we do compare ourselves to celebs, and it's like, okay, well, don't, because they've had like $200,000 worth of surgeries. So I don't know. I've been like, watching something like with Jennifer Lawrence and be like, well, I would get that too, Just the little mini things. It's not like you're changing your appearance that much, but my nose. There's things I would want to change.
I wouldn't get nose surgery.
I'd just be nervous of it getting fucked up.
I literally hate my nose. I think it's the hideousest thing I've ever seen. But I wouldn't surgery it. Because it could fuck up.
Yeah, that's a fear.
I breathe from that.
I know.
It's
That's
ugly
why I
as
don't
shit,
think I
but
would
like
want
I'll breathe from it. I'd get my eyes done.
Like
and I would.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Are we being bad feminists?
No,
Hashtag
stop.
bad feminists. What?
Yeah, we won't talk about it anymore. I'm loving my
I was
look.
only trying to understand what you would have done to your eyes. I was saying I would get
Just like fucking fix me up, make me more symmetrical.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with Undead Sheriff as a bit of a transition shade. Because I was on a road trip and it was kind of more camping, hiking, that kind of thing, I didn't get to do too much eyeshadow. So like getting back is like, yay.
I think I'm done.
Oh.
I'm not doing any inner corners anymore.
He agrees.
Yeah.
No, mama.
No, mama, inner corners. I'm not bothering. I did a really good look, I think, from the middle of the palette.
Yeah, don't overdo anything, Once you've got your look, let it be. Okay, I'm going to go in with the shimmer, I think, Ghost Train. It's like a purpley, kind of reminds me of, from Huda, the Jaguar.
Oh, the Jaguar palette, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I love this kind of purple. Is it the star of the show?
Yeah, that one is the star of the show.
Oh, yeah. It's very, mystical.
Having said that, also I believe though that Quicksilver's second banana.
You can go ahead with your lashes and show. Talk about Thrive a little bit because we're restocking.
Yeah, we're restocking on our mascara.
You all know we love Thrive.
Thrive Cosmetics. Yeah.
It's just such an easy to use mascara.
Yeah, love it. So for the first time, we always order the black. We're ordering brown as well. That may be a new thing for me, for old me.
I think on the lower lash line for a shimmer, I'm going to put in Tombstone. Like the white. Kind of just go in with my pinky and like go like this. Whee! Good idea. Good idea. And then the black, I'm just going to... Because I put that shimmer, I lost a little bit of it on the lash line. I'm just going to like work it in a little. Going in with my trusty Makeup Forever to brighten the brow bone and the inner corner. Okay, I guess I'll put some mascara on and we'll finish off with lips. Okay, we're back. Ta-da! I can't decide on my lip. What are you doing?
I'm just doing a MAC, this.
Oh, a red.
Yeah, like when I bought, like...
Carnivorous. When you bought?
Yeah, I was like into those red lips, and I never really wore them.
You did?
Not
a few times. Oh, just for filming?
Like, just for filming. Like, I gotta get into the world. Like, I gotta live my life more lustily. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, I do. So, okay.
I'm gonna just line with, of course, Endless Cacao.
Yeah, I think I will do the same.
I have a zit.
Oh. Really?
I'm 60 and I got zits.
I'm gonna go in with Birkin Brown from Charlotte Tilbury. Can I say Charlotte Tilbury without saying Tilbury?
Tilbury.
Tilbury.
Tilbury. Yeah.
You done?
Wait.
Well, that was a good combo.
Stunning.
I love blues with like brownie reds. Like
okay,
that.
palette.
Oh my God, I should have done that.
Is freaking gorgeous. Well done again, Nomad. Honestly, what do you think?
Yeah, this is a good color.
It's so beautiful.
I want to try those greens. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's very usable, despite there being like some colors to it. You know, approachable, as they say.
Yeah, guys, don't sleep on this brand.
No.
Really, go on their website. Enjoy playing with makeup.
Yeah. And you were saying it's so fun that they like travel to get inspiration for their stuff, because what better way to live life than travel and do makeup?
Live lustily. Don't live sillily.
Live like you live in the Wild West.
Yes.
Live
go, Annie, get your gun.
Annie, get your gun.
I got my gun on last night. I told you about...
Okay, I know. But...
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So definitely recommend it. Let us know if you've picked it up. Or I don't know, your favorite Nomad palette. If you checked out the Haunted Europe one from last year, that was really fun too. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy, stay bitchy, stay ghosty. Have a good week.
Bye, witches.